Hello everyone, this is Sai Abhishek and along with Sai Pranadeesh Reddy, we both are going to now demonstrate strategies to enhance learner-centered online learning. Use active learning techniques. Active learning shifts the focus from passive content consumption to interactive engagement, allowing students to apply concepts, think critically, and solve real world problems. Unlike traditional lectures, active learning involves activities such as problem solving, case studies, role playing, and hands on projects that require student participation. For example, in an online business course, students might participate in a virtual business simulation where they make strategic decisions, analyze competitors, and manage finances. This type of experimental learning helps students apply theoretical concepts in realistic scenarios, improving retention and practical skills. Another example is the use of case studies in an online medical course where students are presented with patient symptoms and must diagnose the condition by applying medical knowledge. Such interactive experiences enhance critical thinking and decision making. Instructors can also use tools like discussion boards, interactive quizzes, and real time polls during synchronous sessions to keep students engaged. Platforms like Kahoot and Nearpod make learning more dynamic by allowing students to respond to questions in real time. Active learning not only increases motivation but also improves comprehension and application of knowledge, ensuring that students are not merely memorizing information but actively engaging with it to develop deeper understanding. Promote collaborative learning. Collaborative learning encourages students to work together, exchange ideas, and build knowledge through social interaction. This approach enhances critical thinking, communication skills, and teamwork, making it an essential component of learner centered online education. One effective way to foster collaboration is through group projects. For example, in an online environmental science course, students can form virtual teams to research and propose solutions for climate change. Using shared digital tools like Google Docs, Microsoft Teams, or Padlet, they can collaboratively write reports, create presentations, and discuss ideas asynchronously. Another method is peer-to-peer discussion forums where students engage in structured debates or problem-solving exercises. Platforms like Canvas or Moodle allow instructors to create discussion threads where students analyze case studies and provide feedback to their peers. Collaborative learning also benefits from real time interaction. Virtual breakout rooms in Zoom or Microsoft Teams enable small group discussions, allowing students to brainstorm solutions to problems and report back to the larger class. By working together, students learn from diverse perspectives, refine their ideas through discussion, and build a sense of community, reducing the isolation often experienced in online learning environments. Facilitators should establish clear guidelines, assign roles, and provide structured activities to ensure productive collaboration. Provide personalized learning paths. Personalized learning adapts content, pace, and instructional strategies to meet individual student needs, preferences, and learning styles. This approach recognizes that learners have different backgrounds, strengths, and goals, making education more relevant and effective. For instance, in an online language learning course, students might be given the choice to focus on listening exercises, reading comprehension, or interactive speaking activities, depending on their strengths and areas for improvement. Learning management systems such as Moodle or Blackboard allow instructors to create adaptive learning pathways, ensuring that students engage with content at their own level. Another example is an online programming course where students begin with a diagnostic assessment to determine their proficiency. Based on the results, they are guided to different learning tracks, ensuring beginners start with foundational concepts while advanced learners tackle complex coding challenges. To support personalized learning, instructors can offer multiple types of instructional materials, videos, podcasts, interactive simulations, and text based resources. So students can choose the format that suits them best. Additionally, self paced modules allow learners to progress at their own speed, ensuring mastery before moving forward. By incorporating personalized learning paths, online courses become more engaging and effective, catering to individual learning styles while maintaining high educational standards.
Reflection and self-regulator learning. Reflection and self-regulator learning helps students to take ownership of their education by setting goals, monitoring their progress, and adjusting their study strategies. This approach fosters the independence, the long life learning skills. One effective method is required for the students to maintain the digital learning journals where they reflect on key aways, challenges, and the areas of improvement. These can be submitted weekly or used as a personal reference. Another strategy is self assessment quizzes, where the students will evaluate their understanding before or after completing a module. Tools like Google Forms or Quizlet can be facilitate this process. Additional goal setting exercises helps the students to motivate it. Instructor can ask student to set the SMART like specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound goals at the beginning of the course and revisit them periodically. By fostering of regular reflection and also the self-regulation, learners become more proactive in education, improving their ability to retain knowledge and apply skills beyond the classroom. And coming on to activated learning strategy, adaptive learnings used as a artificial intelligence and data-driven analytics to adjust the instructional content based on the student's progress, ensuring a customized learning experience. This method helps learners to focus on the areas of need to improve while advancing through the material at their own pace. For example, in online statistics course, an AI-driven platform can be analyze quiz results and automatically provide additional exercise for concepts where a student struggles if a learner excels in probably struggles with the regression analysis. The system will be allocated for more resource to later. Another example is language learning apps like Duolingo, which is adaptive algorithm to track the performance and adjust the lessons and difficulty accordingly. These personal experiences keep students to engage and prevent the frustration by ensuring that they receive right level of challenge. Many learning management systems integrate the adaptive technology, allowing instructor to create branching learning paths where students can encounter different content based on the quiz scores or progress in the course. By using adaptive learning, online course can ensure that each student receives targeted support, increasing retention and comprehension while avoiding unnecessary repetition on already used material.
Here are some relevant references that we have referred to while designing this video. First up, we have The Theory and Practice of Online Learning by Anderson. And second, we have adding some tech varieties, 100 plus activities for motivating and retaining learners online. And we have blended learning in higher education framework, principles and guidelines by Garrison and Vaughan. This particular reference connected the most with us because this book discusses the community of inquiry framework, focusing on social, cognitive, and teaching presence in online and blended learning environments. Thank you, everyone.